a pillow. It has to have fabric. Excuse me. So then you just go around with your zigzag stitch, or if you have a serger, you could use a serger, all the way around her. You don't go on her, okay? You go next to her. You don't want to go on the girl because it'll be weird. So you don't do that. And then you take your scissors and just cut close to the stitching. Don't cut into the stitching. Okay, you just cut close all the way around. And what I do when I'm done is I take some Aleene's tacky glue, or any white glue really, and I put it with a toothpick all around the edges, front and back, so that it won't ravel. Some people, I think, would probably like the ravel look. I'm not one of those people. When I work on something, I like a finished look. So that's how you do it. Just put two pieces of material together. You don't have to turn it inside out. And leave the bottom open so that you can stuff it.